Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back with the XR8 and we're getting back onto it again. Obviously, as I told you guys last time, I've got a baby on the way, so the funds are a bit low for parts, but there's still things we can do on it and things we're going to continue doing. But before we get into the seat belts, quick update on what we've done. Obviously we put these wheels on with the aggressive offset, so we did have to roll the guards, but that's worked out pretty good. The way we did that was just whip the wheels off, and it's probably spent like an hour and a half on each corner tapping away because I didn't have a guard roller, and I don't recommend putting something in between that and trying to roll it. So we took our time, did it that way, and it's worked out pretty good. We got no scraping, which is what we want. Now to the job at hand. Usual sort of thing that goes on with Falcons and most cars actually, but you can see when we pull this, she's retracting slow, if not at all. So we got to fix this up. Let's get into it. So here's what you need: towel, a couple of microfiber cloths, and a bucket, and maybe some stuff from, I'm used to use dishwashing liquid. You can use washing powder, washing tablets, all that stuff's going to work. But that's all you'll need to fix this and make it retract back up properly. One last thing, either a clamp or a couple of clothes pegs, so that when you pull this out, you can stop it from retracting all the way in. So to get started, lay your towel out on there so you can put the bucket of warm water on top of it. You're not going to spill over your seat. We've pinned up the seat with the buckle up there so that you're not dropping that in the water. So you just grab your warm bucket of water with whatever liquid you choose. We'll put that on there like that. And then it's just a matter of dropping that in there. Now you don't have to worry about the rest of this belt because you usually don't use that, but we'll put that in there for like 10 minutes and you know, wash it around, and yeah, we'll let that soak for about 10 minutes and we'll come back to it. So it's been about 10-15 minutes later. We've been in and mixing that around a bit, and it's about time to take it out. So what we need to do from here is we'll just take that out of the bucket, put it onto the towel, pull that out, and then we can start going at it with a microfiber cloth. So we'll just pull that out of the bucket, lay it on the towel. That water is grotty. And from here you can grab the belt, you grab your microfiber cloth, and you just start pulling it through. Now you're not going to be able to fully dry it out like this, but you get it to a point where most of it's out, and then you let it dry for a few hours, and it should work good. Now if you have a really bad belt, what you can do is you get up in there and you spray it with window cleaner or something, and you get in there and give that a scrub where it comes through in the actual retractor. But that's only if it's really bad. This should work without doing that. So just lay the belt out on there, park it in the sun, whatever you gotta do to make it dry quicker. And for note, there is a reason why you use a microfiber cloth, because you don't want to risk damaging the belt if you use something else to clean it. So yeah, we'll wait for that to dry out and then we'll see how it goes. So we've had it out in the sun for a few hours like this. Yeah, it should be almost dry. There's a couple reasons you want to do this. One, the cops hate it if your seatbelts don't retract. And two, it's just annoying. Like when you jump in the car and the seatbelts are flopping around. But the main reason that this happens is just all the gunk that builds up from putting it on your hands, on your body, and just everything else it does over the years. But it's hygienic, and the cops like it when they actually work, and it's just way more practical when they actually work. So let's test them out. Alright, taking the clamp off, let's give it a crack. Look at that. Retracting like a treat. Now it's rinse and repeat, do on the other side. Well, I'm pretty happy with that. things coming forward with the XR8. Now, I did a poll for you guys and you guys wanted me to do stuff to the engine before the NOS. I have listened. Now, I've got a plan of attack for the Boss 260. It does mean I have to spend a bit of money, which means early next year I'll start purchasing the parts. But in the meantime, before we do any parts, I want to make sure this is still making 310 horsepower at the wheels that it used to, which means getting it on the dyno. And in the meantime from that, we've got this front bar to repaint, we've got a few other parts to fit. So we have got a few things coming up for the XR8, and ideally the goal is from there is we want to put it in some kind of event mid next year and actually put it in a hill climb or some kind of a time attack thing, something like that, to have a bit of fun with it. So, thanks for watching guys, I really do appreciate it. Thanks for the new subscribers in 2023 and 2024. Hope you guys have a good holidays. Till the next one,
See you later.